tell you that I love you, and I pray you try to trick me, but baby, you told me you was going through this with me. Tell me I was tripping, that my eyes were seeing shit, but it was just the truth. No, you can't admit to it.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Poetress. If you're new, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And today I am coming on here to do an unboxing of some merch that I purchased, also some shoes that was purchased for me by Puma. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So the first thing that I purchased is from my friend Steezo's company, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it for you guys. Okay. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's in this plastic wrap. I asked Steezo if the shirts were unisex, meaning that men and women can wear them, and she told me that all of the shirts were in men's size, so I ended up getting a small. When I went on the site to purchase the shirt, I had ordered this one, the black and white one, and for some reason on the site it told me that I ordered the white and black one. No, I ordered the black and white. I ordered the black and white in a small. So Steezo just told me to send a picture to her of the one that I want, because I already paid for it. So she went ahead and packed up the one that I wanted, which was the black and white. So let's go ahead and open it so y'all can see what it looks like. Oh, and it goes perfect with the sneakers. Yeah, I like this shirt. Like I always told Steezo, I was like, yo, I'm gonna support your brand one day. Like I'm gonna do it. It's just like at the time I couldn't do it, but I'm so happy that I was able to buy her shirt and support her. I can't wait for her life to come out or something, like some type of line. If her wife do a clothing line, cause y'all should see the way her wife dress. I love the way her wife dress. So yeah, Steezo, thank you for the shirt. I appreciate it. So yeah, I will be wearing this out and taking pictures in it. So along with the shirt, I went ahead and I purchased some Pumas to go with the shirt. I went online too, and I was specifically looking for black, white, and gold Nikes. Now they did have a pair of black, gold, and white Nikes. It's just that I didn't like the way they look, so I went on various sites trying to find some sneakers, and I just could not find any. So I actually went inside at a Puma at the North Georgia outlet. We went an hour to the outlet, and all I wanted was some sneakers. Like I didn't care about nothing else. All I wanted was some sneakers. And so I got these black and gold Pumas to go with the shirt, and I'm really happy about it because it matches the shirt like on point. So I cannot wait to wear these. Usually in a woman's, I'm a 7.5. I tried to find something on the guy section, but I couldn't find anything, so I ended up getting these in a woman's 7. I tried on a 6.5 thinking it would fit, but the 6.5 was too small, so I went up a size. And yeah, these Pumas were on sale for $70, so they were less than what I would have paid online. They are dope, bro. Like I cannot wait to wear these with the shirt. Let me show y'all this right quick. This shirt with these sneakers, yeah. And I could wear like some white jeans, because I got some white jeans, and I could wear those with this sneaker in this shirt. So I'm feeling it, and I'm happy that I was able to get the shirt in time. But I'm also happy that I was able to actually go in the store and get these sneakers. Now, the thing that surprises me about the sneakers and the shirt is that the clown matches the color of the shoe. Like, that was completely unexpected. I was expecting the clown to be like a yellowish gold color, not this. But hey, everything happens for a reason, so y'all gonna see this on me very, very soon. I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you guys are interested in the shirt or these Pumas, I will put all the information down in the description box. And yeah, so don't be afraid to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Alright, deuce y'all.